Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Toyota Prius and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the color of the rim. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the rim. So to prep it, you can use any cleaning solution that's safe to use on your vehicle's rim. That way we're able to remove any contaminants that the rim might have. And also you want to make sure that the rim itself doesn't have any ceramic coating or any wax, because with those chemicals the vinyl itself won't stick and it'll be lifting. So you need to make sure that your rim doesn't have any coating or any wax on it. And also when you're done cleaning, just make sure everything is dry, because we also need the panel to be dry before we do the installation. So when you have your wheel chrome delete kit, you are going to see that the film has a protective layer on the top surface. So that protective layer, just make sure you remove it before you start with the installation. So just grab it from one edge and remove the protective layer. That way you're able to install the film. So with this one, once you remove the protective layer, start by aligning it on the top surface here. So make sure you align it on the top and you're covering everything. And just work your way down and just match it here. So make sure it's aligned and it should be like this. And just do the same for this side. Make sure it's covering the chrome. Align it on the top here. It should be like this. And with your squeegee, start squeegeeing down the top surface here. But to help it tack down better, just apply heat afterwards. All we're doing right now is just helping it tack down as much as we can before we start applying heat. Okay, and also something to keep in mind with this one, the rim size is size 19. So make sure before doing installation, you see that your vehicle is the same size as this one, because if it is a different size, then the film might not fit your specific vehicle that you have. So just make sure that the size of the rim that we have here is the same as the one that you have. So once you finish installing everything and you tack down most of the film, now we can apply heat to help it tack down on the curved sections here and anywhere where the film is still lifted. So grab your heat gun and start heating around the edges. So once you finish applying heat to the film and securing it, you are going to notice that you do have a little bit of excess material right here in the middle section here. To trim off the excess material, just grab your blade and go right in the middle where there's the gap between the actual rim and the Toyota emblem, and just remove it, and that should be it. So just make sure when you're trimming, you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome on the inside. So trim it, find the gap, and do the cutout. And that should be it. And then just apply heat one more time to help tack down these two edges here. And then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this one to the remaining sections here. So make sure you remove the protective layer first. Start by aligning it on one end. Work your way to the other side. Stick it so it doesn't move. Just like that, simple. And just go back to this one, lift it and align it. And so it should look like that. And then just add heat. And then after you finish adding heat, trim here. And then add heat just on the edges here. And you just rinse and repeat with the remaining sets. the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation process is just post heat all around. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't lift over time. So just go around each section and apply heat to post heat the film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete for the 2023 Toyota Prius. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.